and welcome. My name is Jene, and tonight I'm going to be doing a full post review on this gorgeous painting that you see right here. This painting comes from Rainy Day Boutique. It is a 50 by 70 full crystal drill, and I love this painting. It turned out amazing. So let's go over the cons first. Well, I have no cons for this. The poured glue was excellent, and yes, this comes with poured glue. The drills were nice, beautiful crystals. If I were to say I had cons, I would say because there was some garbage in the crystals. But you know, I come to find that crystals is something that I expect to get garbage from. So that's why I didn't put them down as cons, because I would say I might have had just a smidge. Let me see where my garbage can guy is. Oh, here it is. So I just had a smidge in there. So I'm just going to bring this up, and you can see there's not very many in there to complain about. So there's very minimal garbage. That's why I'm not going to put it down as a con. And the nice thing about the poured glue is not only was it amazing, you were still able to manipulate or move those drills if you've placed them in the wrong spot. I love the ability to be able to do that, especially with rounds. This painting does have training wheels, but you don't see them because they're smaller than the actual facet that's going down, which is a great thing. Now, I'm not sure if I told you, I'm so excited about telling you about this painting. I don't know for sure if I told you the size. This is a 50 by 70, and that's the reason why you see it on its side, because, well, it's actually quite big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it around a little bit so that you can actually see from top to bottom, and you'll see this gorgeous painting upright. Not only will you see it upright, but you'll see the amazing sparkle and shine off of these drills. So I'm going to keep my light off, but I will do it again with the light just in case it's too dark for you. But let's go ahead and flip it. Now, the reason why I have my light off now is because of the glare. So I'm going to show you without the light first, and then we'll turn the light on, and just in case, okay? So as you can see, the top, it's fairly dark. Look at that. Look at that shine and shimmer. Oh my gosh. Anyway, as you can see on the top, it's fairly dark, but it blends nicely into those top red roses, and then goes into the center roses where it's nice and bright and red through here. These gorgeous green drills are just amazing, and lots of sparkle there as well. And then we go into this beautiful aqua and light blue vase. Oops, sorry. And then the pomegranates. So this painting is called The Red Roses and Pomegranates. And let me turn on my light so that we can see it with the light on. There we go. Now, again, I'm really sorry for the glare, but as you can see again, it's still fairly dark up here, but it blends really nicely in with those roses. And then the greens, see all that sparkle, look at that. Amazing. Now, to me, this painting would need an inhaler. But look at all that sparkle and shine. Just gorgeous. All the way through. So let me turn off the light, because I don't want to blind anyone. There we go. So the canvas, it's a nice canvas. It's thin, it's not super thick, it's soft to the back. I'm not 100% sure what type of fabric this is, but it's very pliable. The glue does pour out just a smidge, and that is the reason why I have the washi tape on the painting. And I think the washi tape blends really nicely with these drills too. So anyway, wow. Oh, and I wanted to show you the extra drills. I have lots and lots of extra drills with this painting. So no complaints at all as far as the amount of drills that come with this painting. And the nice thing is, because you get extra drills, now you've got a nice stash of these beautiful, beautiful crystals. Another thing that I liked about this painting and the experience with this painting was the customer service. The owner, who is Christine, she is amazing. She's just amazing. When I received the painting, not only did it come with this beautiful canvas, the beautiful drills, she included a really super nice toolkit. Unfortunately, I don't know what I did with the wax caddy, but it was a beautiful red rose that would open up, and she provided yellow wax, which I've never used before. Was really great using it. She also provided, you know, the basic drill pin, some multi-placers, and stickers. So I have to say I'm extremely pleased, not only with the painting, but with the customer service and the store. The experience overall was amazing. So everyone, I hope that Christine does bring this back. If she does, please check her out and snag one up. You will not be disappointed at all with this painting. So everyone, I am going to go ahead and end the video. Please let me know down below in the comments, what do you think about this painting? I would love to hear from you. Your comments mean a lot to me, and I love to read your comments. So by saying that, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. If you like the video, please let me know by giving me that thumbs up. And if you didn't like the video, I totally understand, but if you can go down below in the comments and let me know what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. That's right next door to that subscribe button. That way it'll indicate I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, if this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for joining me today on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Bye, everyone.